What's this? Girafarig has a new form? This guy can evolve now? How is that even possible? I never would have thought that even for an eon that this classic Johto region hero can have the ability for that. Looks like it has now started. That's right. For all the master designers, for all those who have enjoyed the new Scarlet and Violet games and the new special coming to be released, tonight we're drawing a Girafarig's evolved form, named Farigiraf. I congratulate this guy on achieving this new bark of evolution. Getting started, we drew Farigiraf's head. Now we're drawing the, well, this part of Farigiraf's body. Well, apparently, the second half of Girafarig's skull, it evolves. When it does, it becomes part of Farigiraf's upper head, and now it becomes part of his mouth. Apparently, it's just a suit for him. Here we draw these square spots for her. There we go. Now we draw the spikes. By the way, also when you're drawing this guy, you should start with the hooves here, the orange halves. One more thing about this new thing, terrestrializing, the thing that all these guys can do now. I honestly think it's a really boring idea, given for the fact that nothing really happens for Scarlet and Violet, considering that last time when they had Dynamax available, this guy had the ability to evolve. Well, basically, most Pokemon for Sword and Shield, the original game, had the ability of evolving into different forms, known as Gigantamax. I just hope they have the same feature for the new game. go. And done. That's how you draw Farigiraf from Scarlet and Violet. My buddy Nick told me about this new guy. I never would have guessed that it would be possible for Girafarig to evolve. Well, guess I was wrong. Anyhow, that's how you draw Farigiraf. Be sure to like, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what new Pokemon you want me to draw next. Check out the playlist below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.